Ay, yung question.
Pero dalawa yung kapartner niya sa Y. Si
This is us before GenMat. Ano? 200 lang. Gusto ko pa rin. Enzymes. Enzymes. Para mas monosaturated. Pento sugar. Because may 4 classification.
Volleyball dito ng mga babae.
May trust din sa'yo. Na hindi mo... Ano yung stop cake? Ano yung sa
Thank you, Mama Isa. You're welcome.
If this world was mine, I'd take you in the 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd make love, I'd just
Which organizer is best used for this situation? So, di ba difference sila? So, teacher kang gagamitin mo. The teacher, si John, si Teo, Kai, Good, yun, all. Kasi difference yun, di ba?
Y. Which is hindi pwede. A one-to-many mapping function look like. It looks like this.
Philo is done, guys. Auntie, say hi.
Dapat na si Teo, kaya yung bakas.
Is this your vlog?
Yes.
I vlog. Yasi's vlog. Parang suspicious na package, tapos ang dami nilang perang hawak. Tapos mga bata lang sila.
We're gonna buy Milo shake, guys.
Shake.
Say hi.
Hi!
Pinipilig ako. Sambahan.
Wala kayo, ha? Your words not mine.
Chris, sumama ka.
Kanino bang bag to?
Papasok niya kayo sa ito.
Lalabag ko to, ha?
This is us before GenMat. Yeah, we're gonna be like that, and then we're gonna be like that. Completion day, and I have to take my 1x1 picture. It's like 8 a.m. and I have to go to school later at 10, so I have 2 hours to take my 1x1 picture. Look at that. Wow. Say hi, guys. My vlog.
Welcome to Get Ready With Me, guys.
Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys.
Look at the gloss. Look at the gloss. Look at the sparkly.
Show the gloss. Ano ba? QC. Ano pa?
Ako din.
The timer starts now.
Ang laki, ang haba.
Yes, hindi ganyan yes.
Ayaw siya.
Ate, you're coming. Where? You're gonna... Paano ba yung ano?
In denial si Riz! I told you.
Siya nga!
May baby shot! Hindi!
Huwag po kayong mahihiya na magsabi. Okay? Lalain pa, maganda na habang nakaramdam kayo, sabihin nyo na agad para din ma-address natin. So by the way guys, magbibigay lang si Ate Sherry ng nasa bus number 6. Hindi po tayo allowed na mag-transfer sa ibang bus without any... Pa po ba natin yung proyekto na piso para kay Quezon na yun? Yes po. So
Si Iya, inaan to. Hey! If I was your boyfriend.
What's that? Oh, that's a video. Hi!
Yung dalawa. Hindi na doon sila si John.
Sarap ng video.
Kayo papatalo ka ba ito?
Yung inyong mga kagrupa, bali yung event nyo.
May tinutulong ka pa dyan.
Wow!
Parang nagugulong ka. Hindi ako eh.
I am Metanoia. Welcome to my home on earth.
Then, ito naman nasa likod, yan yung mga recognitions and awards ni Dr. Ismael Llaga Sr. which graduate siya sa UST with a degree in vocabulator. Yan, ito lahat. Again, submerge. It actually is the tuba tamarind.
Much too late to try and apologize for my mistakes. But I just want you to know. Should I give up or should I just keep chasing? I'm gonna play that